Another shutdown despite cases soaring across the state.
You got to think about what the ramifications are. Will it make a difference?
But some working in the trenches of the pandemic argue it will make a difference. A letter to the governor was signed off by a number of healthcare professionals urging the governor to consider an order that would shut down indoor dining and gyms. It reads in part, quote, "Based on what we know about the epidemiology of COVID-19, we are confident that a decision to close down indoor dining and gyms and ban all other unnecessary public gatherings would protect our citizens from this lethal disease, keep our hospitals and caregivers from being overwhelmed, and save lives." The governor, though, maintaining the primary spread of COVID right now is from private social interactions.
I think dining at a restaurant, you have to take off the mask to eat. That seems risky. That said, with our track and trace programs, we'll follow this carefully. The gyms, it's really important, the mental health. I hear that everywhere I go. But also, there are 25% capacity. You've got to wear a mask.
Dr. Ajay Kumar with Hartford HealthCare sides with the governor, saying it all comes down to personal convictions.
We need to think about the virus is going to be with us for several more months, and we need to find the right balance to live with that and manage it appropriately. It's about the social responsibility. It's about we need to be careful and practice that social distancing and appropriate discipline in our personal lives.
Now, there is an online petition that is circling. It's being pushed by one of Yale's own Dr. Luke Davis, who is also on board with getting the governor to listen to the several number of healthcare workers that have sent this letter to Governor Ned Lamont. They were in conversation with him just yesterday, but no word on whether or not Governor Lamont will actually listen and scale back the restrictions. Live in New Haven, Shayna Ferreira.